Tatycokley, I'm back for another video, and as you see the title, today, I don't even know what I'm titling this because where am I going? Before, I planned on having this be like a college fits lookbook type of situation, but my college shut down. So, I ain't going nowhere. But it's fine, everything's fine, everything. Get that degree. Anyway, you know, if you want to get dressed for class, online, here's your place to be. I mean, really, there is not much else for us to do but shop. So here's some looks for you guys. This video is sponsored by American Eagle. Thank you so much for sending me these clothes. I'm pretty sure I got some jeans because everybody knows American Eagle jeans are chef's kiss. Also, if I have a discount code, I will pop it right here. So let's just get into this. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? We're gonna give you a couple seconds to do that. Did you do it? Good. Now you can watch the video and welcome to our family. Also, follow me on my socials. This is where you can participate in polls, all that fun stuff, or whatever. Let's just get into this. All right, y'all. Let's look at this one. I'm trying so hard not to mess my nails up because I wouldn't be able to get them fixed, so you have to be a little cautious. Okay, so from what I got, this is definitely going to be more like a mini little lookbook for you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put on these jeans because jeans literally go with just about everything. Now, what I will say is if I don't fit these jeans, we're gonna have an issue. Oh, child. Woo! There's like a little butt cut, but it's not actually your butt. Like, it has fabric behind it. So if you always liked that look like me, but didn't want your butt cheek out, this is perfect for that. Okay, apparently these are a 4. To me, they look like a 2. But that could also be because I've been quarantining and eating a bunch of snacks, so I know this is gonna be a tight fit. But it is the next level stretch, so I mean, it is stretchy for sure. I mean, there ain't nothing I can do but just put it on. So okay, guys, so here are what the jeans look like. They actually fit me. I got in them. The only thing is the waist, which is kind of always my problem. Here's the back of them. Okay, so obviously I just kept the dress on and like folded it up. But if you had like an actual sweater that looked something like this and it was like a little crop, it would look so cute with a pair of jeans like this. This is definitely like a cute college-y type of look. Or even if it was like long enough that it was tucked in. Very college, very I'm studious. Like, this is still a moment if you have a sweater that looks something like this. Now let me show you actual looks. So right now I'm gonna do like tank tops and stuff like that you guys can layer. I wanted to show you guys like layerable stuff. So let's see. Boom. So here is the shirt with the same jeans I just had on. If you guys can see, it's like pretty much the same. Here it is closer so you can see the actual shirt. It is very stretchy. All my sizes and everything and the links and all that will be in the description box, so you're good there. When I tell you guys this has to be the softest shirt ever, it literally is. The way that I am in college, especially recently, it's just been comfort. So this is really like dressed up for me anyway, but this is so like it's so comfortable. You don't even like feel like you have it on. It's just yes, the comfort I need in these scary times. Something like this is definitely something that I would wear, especially when it gets a little bit warmer. Now if it's not warm, we have this cardigan. How cute is the cardigan? It goes down to about mid-thigh on me. Now, I did get mine in a medium because I wanted it to be like oversized like this. So there's a little like helpful size guide for you. But yeah, if you want, you can wear it fully up like this. You could wear one shoulder, both shoulders. Like, there's so many different looks you can do. It's just like adding a little piece on top. And this is very college. This is, all right, next. Another one. Now, before I say anything else, I have to say American Eagle has the softest, most nicest quality shirts I have had in like ever. These, what I promise to you on everything I love, I wish you could feel it through the screen. Especially like even now, like you can't go out the house, like this is just nice. I'm gonna be wearing these just around the house. Like, they are so soft. But anyway, here's another fit. Again, low maintenance, not like too much going on. It's a little bit longer than the last one, and these are high-waisted, so you get coverage if your school has like rules or something like that. Here's it up close for you guys. Hopefully you guys can literally see how stretchy these shirts are. Like, you can definitely be fine in a small. I would wear this one with like some white sneakers. I have some, but they're dirty. I would have showed you guys, but they're just like regular white sneakers. I would just wear these with white sneakers, Air Forces, something like that, like very low maintenance. And then again, if you want to add a sweater if it's cold, or you just want another layer to your outfits, this is perfect for that. Okay, next, boom. Okay, now for this one, right, this is obviously for like a colder day or something. I would not wear this if it was like 80 degrees or even like 75, honestly. It's pretty thick and warm. This one, I'll show you. So the neck does come up on it like that, so you could wear it either way. I preferred mine rolled down once, and it stays there just fine, so it's just whatever your preference is. It's the same all the way around, nothing different. Again, extremely soft material. I kept the t-shirt on underneath it, but normally I wouldn't wear anything underneath it because it's just so big. Like, I would just put this on and go to class. This is definitely for my girls that like aren't comfortable wearing tight stuff, or just prefer being in baggier clothes and things like that. This is still cute. The neckline kind of gives you like an up done type situation where you don't look lazy, but it still looks comfortable. Also, you can pair this with like sweatpants. I'm just showing you it with jeans just because it kind of updoes the outfit, but you can always wear this with just leggings and some sneakers underneath. You can wear this with matching gray joggers, anything like that. Next, now you guys know I love shirts like this. Anything with this line and then the thin straps on top sold me. But the fact that these shirts are extra soft, extra sold me. This is such a casual outfit, such a low maintenance outfit, but it's updone. It's just kind of like, I'm trying today. I'm giving you a little something. Also, if you're like, why are they all like tank tops? I wanted to give you guys like tank top options because you can also wear stuff like this around the house, or you can also dress them up. So I don't want to give you guys pieces that are only good for one thing. This multifaceted. Here it is up close. Again, stretchy material, and the same thing in the back. And then again, you can always dress it up with a flannel. Yet again, like, we've literally worn this flannel with how many different outfits, and it looks different. Like, it's not the same fit. Especially this one, I think the color scheme looks nice together. You can actually wear again like tied around your waist for a whole nother fit. Like, there's so many options you have when you wear little pieces like this. Also, I would suggest picking up like a flannel, like an oversized flannel, because I've worn an outfit like this before with like a light colored flannel over it, and it looked so cute. It just added like a pop, and you're good. Next, okay y'all, so this one I wore a strapless bra with because I don't know where my other one is. Don't feel like finding it, but we're gonna make do. Y'all know it's not one of my hauls or lookbooks if I don't have the wrong bra on. So here we are. But how cute is this? So it is a bodysuit. It snaps, so it really like snugs you up. Here's the back of it. Here's kind of what the whole fit looks like. This is definitely a me outfit. I would wear this with like a dainty necklace or something if you want to like distract from here, just something like that. You can wear this with like booties, little sneakers, sandals. Again, like, you have so many options for something like this. Very basic but updone. We're basic fitting it up for college, but we're comfortable and we look put together. Again, super stretchy but still like snug enough that it's gonna pull me up. And the bodysuit is not like riding up me. Like, you know, sometimes when they're really trying to snatch you, so it's too tight and it like chafes and stuff. Not getting that at all. It's really stretchy down there as well. And again, you can wear this with that cardigan or a flannel or any other type of sweater, even like a blazer. Like, you're good. But I would probably wear it just like this. Just a moment. All right guys, so that was all of the outfits that I wanted to show you guys. Just a little mini lookbook for you guys while you're in the house. I also did this because I get a lot of girls that tell me that they don't have, like, you must have so many clothes. I don't have any clothes. I have like a couple items. There's so much that you can do and piece together with even just 2 different pieces. I did this whole haul in the same pair of jeans, making it look like different outfits. So there's so much you guys can do with a couple pieces or a couple items. You do not need the world of wardrobe to have a sense of style. You guys are just fine. Before I close this out, again, I want to urge you guys to stay home. Please, 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 please stay home. I just want to make sure I'm doing my part. Also, before I close this out, I wanted to let you guys know that you can use, even if you don't follow me, I do post Instagram stories with resources and things like that during this quarantine. So if you guys are looking for things like that, you can probably find them on my story pretty much daily at this point. But actually, before I close this out, you know I have to give my shout out of the week. This week's shout out goes to Kenzie Arias. Here is her page. Y'all go check her out. I saw your comment on my last video, and I just wanted to let you know that I love you so, so much, and that will never change. Alright y'all, so make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. You got a lot to do with a lot of time to do it, so you better get to it. And I will see y'all in my next one.